welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I was in a mood for the cookie ice cream bowls. I think I saw it on Pinterest. I tried it once. It was a fail without the foil because it would have been ideal to make it without the foil, but mine kept breaking apart, so I figured I'd try it this way. I tried with the dollar store foil and Reynolds just to see if it would be a difference. Both worked perfectly, by the way. And I baked them until I thought they were done. I don't even know how long I just went on how cookies look when they're done. I let them cool off before I removed the foil and added the ice cream, and then I added my toppings, and it was delicious. Oh yeah, I also sprayed a little cooking spray on under the foil just to be safe. And this is the finished product. Let me know down below if you guys have ever tried this. And as always, thanks for watching.